Unlock the secret to earning passive income by tapping into the booming world of Temu's affiliate program. First things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to the Temu website and scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find a link labeled Affiliates. Click on that. This will take you to the affiliate program page. Look for a button that says Join Now or Sign Up and click it. You'll be asked to fill out a short form with your personal and payment information. Make sure to use a valid email address, as this is how they'll communicate with you. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where the magic happens. To promote a product, navigate back to the main Temu site, find the item you want to share, and then use the affiliate dashboard's tools to generate your unique affiliate link for that specific product. Now let's talk marketing. The key is to share these links strategically. Consider creating engaging content, showing the products in action. Think product reviews, haul videos, or even what I bought on Temu style posts. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are perfect for this. Highlight the affordability and variety of Temu's products. Use compelling captions and relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. When someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Track your earnings within your affiliate dashboard. The more you promote, the more opportunities you create for income. Start sharing today and watch your earnings grow with Temu.